Okay, now we'll show you how to make the 3D floor. I do the demo for this. For this we have the wood table, and then we use the tape for to create the board. Okay. One more. Okay, now we put the resin, pure resin. For the quantity, now we need 300 grams. Okay. 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 And then 180. This is catalyst, yeah. There we go. We use acrylic color just for give it the base for deep or white. You know, for when we use the stick for the 3D, the base is better is one color. Very smooth. We mix. Nice. I think the epoxy, the resin, they need is warm. And here we are in December. A little bit is I give a little bit hot. Just they open. Okay, now it's very smooth. So they open. We help for open, we spray it. We have the glitter, now we decorate with the gold if you want. It's just then we color. Isopropylic alcohol, they open it, you see? Done. And now we let dry for around 8 hours. This is ready to quiet. Tomorrow when they dry, we use the last coat for the clean epoxy, and they give the very art. This we can do the 1,000 square feet and use all your fantasy for decorate this floor. Okay, this is a epoxy floor. Now we let dry. We don't touch no more. Bye. Okay, we see tomorrow for the last finish. This floor in epoxy, and tomorrow we do the last coat with transparent epoxy, and then finish. Okay, we see tomorrow.